Overtime Academy has one major purpose, and that is to support, encourage, and advocate for athletes to seek mentoring and mental health support. We know that athletes face challenges with financing, and we know that athletes face challenges with various relationships. And so what we want to do is to let athletes know that it's okay to get help. It's okay to have a mentor. So the idea is to provide that avenue where athletes will know that mentoring and mental health is accessible. And so that if or should any challenges arise, it is a seamless transition. In addition to mentoring, we have current athletes that are playing in the league and recent retired athletes to serve as guest speakers.
Overtime Academy is a great program that this city of New Orleans and Louisiana as a whole needed a long time ago. A group of young men putting a program together to help the future, to help them make the right decisions in life so that they could be successful as well, and also help them with some of the problems they may be going through at home on a day-to-day basis. Our school, Landry High School, was the school that was chosen, and we can't be more grateful for every man who spoke in front of us this week, and we're very grateful and looking forward to the future.
Overall, when you look at the overtime program, I think it could be defined in a sense in one key African proverb, and that's it takes a village to raise a child. So it's important because in a sense, we need to train up these young men, and one day it'll be young women as well. We need to train them up to where they're prepared, they're ready to go, they're ready to be out in the battlefield. In a sense, you don't want to send the troops to war without any ammunition. So today what we're doing and overall what we're doing with the overtime program is we're preparing them to go out and fight the battle, to fight the good fight, as John Lewis once said, to be prepared for the world and to basically use those talents and gifts that they were blessed with, that they were born with, out into the world and to make sure the world receives the true them.
The most important thing when you go to a bank, financial advisors know that you don't know financial literacy. You know how hard we work, how hard it is for us to make it out the ghetto and get to our dreams and our goals and meet somebody and give them $10 million, which is crazy to me, but we do it every day, all day. But you'll meet a total stranger because they're more educated than you when it comes to financial literacy. And so that's the part we have to change. That's what I'm telling y'all. And I mean, it's so important when you understand being a student of the game. Same way you're trying to get better in sports, be a student of the game with the financial side. This is about us spending time with us because y'all want that information. That's why y'all here. I want to be able to, touch y'all and talk to y'all and show y'all this is how I did it. I'm not trying to keep no secrets from y'all. I feel if there's thousands of us, then now we can eliminate a lot of the poverty that we go through.
We are grateful for that they're putting together to make a change in our communities and within our young men. Because they go through things that we've been through, that we experienced, and we found ways to get past those things. So coming back and teaching them and showing them the right way so that we can make our city a better place.
We open to provide the New Orleans community with hot yoga that is accessible to everyone. Hot yoga can be extremely beneficial for athletes who need recovery, who need to stretch and relax their muscles, and you can also get a workout while you're doing that. So these guys all walked in, oh, I'm not excited, oh my God, what are we doing here, hot yoga? They are gonna walk out if you're feeling great, they're gonna chug their water, take a shower, and say, when are we going now?
Protect them from dangers seen and dangers unseen in their lives, God. But I ask that if they don't know you, give them a relationship with you. Help them to walk with you and find you and know who you are, God, because in everything in life, they're going to need you.